Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer shelf in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer shelf. The freezer shelf, as you probably guessed, is located in the freezer compartment. The main reason why the freezer shelf should be replaced is if it gets corroded or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer shelf, we need to first take off this stopper. It could be easily removed by just pressing it down with your finger. Next would be sliding that shelf to the left, and we'll free the right side and we can pull out the left side. This is the old freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new freezer shelf, we're going to slide this left side wires into the openings, push it in, then lower the right side and slide it into the opening on the right side. To install the stopper, we're just going to push it over the wire here. And by the way, you don't have to do it because that stopper is used only for transportation, so the shelf would not slide out. And now we can close the freezer door, plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.